Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Austin from Austin Family Chiropractic in Virden, Illinois, and I'd like to welcome you to this exercise video where we're going to discuss a great exercise. It's technically called a glute stretch, but it can also, in a modified version, it can also work your calves and your hamstrings to some degree as well. So it's a really good exercise. I'm going to have a model demonstrating that in a couple of minutes here. So some patients come into my office, and when I ask them as part of the exam for a low back pain patient to bend over and touch their toes, some of them aren't able to do that. And some of them say, I was able to do that, doc, in the past, but I'm just not able to anymore. And there can be a lot of different factors involved in that, like a disc injury, or arthritis. But a lot of it is we have tight glutes and tight hamstrings. So that's why I love this exercise. And so it's going to help to stretch the glutes, stretch the hamstrings, and stretch the calves as well. And of course, most of us, if we're not working out on a regular basis, at least 3 times a week, with some kind of a workout routine, a lot of times the hamstrings, the glutes, and even the calves, they just get tight. So we need to work on those, and this is a good exercise to throw into that daily stretching routine. I'm going to go ahead and have my model demonstrate that at this point. Go ahead and bring your knee over like I showed you how to do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is a glute stretch. Gluteus stretch for this right gluteus muscle. So go ahead and do that. Okay, so what she's going to do is reach through here, and she's going to interlock her hands on her shin area, okay, top of her shin area. And so we're going to feel that right in here on the opposite side, right here on the right side. And you feel that? Okay, feels nice and toasty. Okay, so we're going to hold that stretch for about 30 seconds. Then we've got a modified way of doing this where we're not going to be stretching the glute, but we're going to be stretching some in the hamstrings and a lot more in the calf. So go ahead and do that modified pose. Okay, so now we've got where she's interlocking her hands behind just above the knee in the hamstring area. We're going to feel that a little bit in the hamstring. We're going to feel that in the calf, but if she points that toe down towards her face, she's going to feel it even more in the calf, aren't you? Yep, okay. So that is a good stretch as well. And once again, we would hold that for about 30 seconds as well. Let's go ahead and try these with the other side. Okay, so this is stretching the left gluteus now. Now keep in mind, some of you may have one gluteus muscle that's tighter than the other, and that's not really that unusual. One of mine is tighter than the other. So one, we might get a little better farther stretch than the other side, and that's okay. Just do what you can do. Okay, once again, hold that for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to do the modified. Okay, let's slide that hand down a little. Okay, we don't want it exactly behind the knee. Alright, so we're getting that in the hamstring on this side, on the right, and we're also, if we point that toe down, we're getting some in the calf on the right side. So that is a great stretch, one of my favorite stretches, that if we do both the regular and the modified position, we get our gluteus involved, we get our hamstrings a little, and we also get our calf stretch. So a good lower body stretch there, wouldn't you say, young lady?
Yep.
Thank you for watching, and enjoy your stretching. Happy stretching, and have a great day.